Tonight's Shred 420 set break is brought to you by Jack's Grilled Cheese. Direct from the Baldwin Hills Estates neighborhood of Los Angeles to a lot near you. From East Rutherford to Buckeye Lake, it's Jack's Grilled Cheese. Made to order 3 magical varietals with 2 craft singles per sandwich. You'll find no expense spared here. Each JGC is uniquely sprinkled with Jack's signature Parmigiano Reggiano, cooked to a cosmic crisp on a Hamilton Beach griddle, purchased at a Ralph's in Echo Park. Look for the 89 Jeep Grand Wagoneer with the high roller license plates. Then listen to the flavorful sounds of 10-16-74 ascending from that Nakamichi cassette deck, and you've got Jack. Keep on dancing, shredheads. It's Jack's Grilled Cheese.
Heady and lot ready since 1983.
And now, Grateful Shred, Liberty Hair Farm, and Jack's Grilled Cheese present the 2021st edition of Shred 420. Hey, it's time for the set break.